Hey y'all, it's Lori. Thanks so much for clicking into this video today. I was gonna shoot this video outside, but it is crazy windy out there and I can't get past the wind noise. I'm committed to not making any more crappy audio videos. So we had to shoot this one inside. Welcome to my dining room. Here we are. This video is all about the top 5 features that I wish we had in our boat, Zoe Grace, that we don't. Now that we've had the boat for almost a year, we're just much more aware of how we're going to live in it and use it and what it's like to have guests on board and what we could do in the boat and what we wish we had in the boat that would make our guests more comfortable and also make ourselves more comfortable. So when we go shopping for the next boat, there are 5 features that we really want to make sure we have in the boat that we don't have on Zoe Grace. Tell them, it really was windy out there, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's like a big hurricane.
Right?
That's why I'm hunkering in inside.
See? Chuck's even hunkering in.
Yeah.
And Chuck's like Thailand tough.
Except it's hot. I'm not that tough, I'm cold.
All right, so you can't even really tell at all how windy it is out here. You're just gonna have to take my word for it, or I don't know. It blew my patio umbrella over. Is that proof enough? I hope it is. We'll see. All right, now that we have the ridiculous weather report, now that we have the ridiculous weather report out of the way, let's get back to the 5 features we wish we had in Zoe Grace in our boat, but we don't. So the first feature that we really wish we had in our boat would be fold down cockpit sidewalls, and those are actually called bulwarks. Fold down bulwarks, and it's just the sidewalls to the back of the boat. They fold completely down and it just opens up the whole space on the back of your boat. It is really cool. I mean, check this out. What we're looking at here is a Galleon 40-foot motor yacht, and boy, look at that. That is a sexy looking boat. I love how the sides fold down. If you've seen many of my videos, you'll know I like to dance on the boat, and dancing on the back of the boat would be a lot more fun if I had all this space to dance in, right? Maybe that's how I'm gonna sell it to the captain. So just like houses, apartments, cars, people, there is no such thing as the perfect boat, but I found one that comes really damn close. It has all the features in it that we wish we had on Zoe Grace, except for that fancy folding down bulwark side cockpit wall thing. Let's check that one out. So this absolute 48-foot coupe that was debuted just at the 2021 Cairns Yachting Festival is one sexy boat. Check it out. Look at that swim platform. One of the things that we wish we had on Zoe Grace that we don't is that electric swim platform. That means it goes up and down into the water by itself. Well, not by itself, obviously you have to flip a switch, but all you have to do is flip a switch. It goes up and down into the water, so you can hang out on the swim platform and be in the water if you want to, or you can have your dinghy or your tender, you can drive it all up, you could drive it right up on your swim platform and store it there. But that is a great feature that we wish we had on Zoe Grace, and we don't, a hydraulic swim platform. And look how big that cockpit is. I mean, it's got a ton of furniture on it. It's pretty awesome. I'm sure I could dance the night away on that one, for sure. Now that is a ton of glass. That is a ton of glass to have to keep clean, but you know what? I would struggle through it and I would get it done if I had this boat. It's got an aft galley, and what that means is that the kitchen is just in the back of the boat. So when you go through those glass doors, you're right there in the kitchen. That makes it super convenient to be able to serve your guests and prepare all the foods and everything you want to do right there. And you could serve your guests both inside and outside from the same space. It makes it really convenient to have other people on the boat with you. The salon has tons of living space, and that's really similar to what we have in Zoe Grace. So this is a pretty similar setup to what we have in the salon, the living space. So Zoe Grace is really a great setup as far as that's concerned, but so is this. Don't get me wrong, this is awesome. Now look at that interior helm station. I really wish we had an interior helm station in Zoe Grace. Now this is kind of an odd predicament for the captain and myself to find ourselves in, because when we first started looking for a boat, when we found Zoe Grace, we were convinced we did not want an interior helm station. You can see they take up a lot of space. We thought the fly bridge, or the sedan bridge is what Sea Ray calls it. Anyway, driving the boat from just upstairs would give us so much more space downstairs. And I guess it does, it gives us a lot of living space, but what it also does is it creates a lot of separation on travel days. So when we're traveling up and down the coast, running over to Florida or running down to South Texas, maybe even to Mexico, The captain's upstairs driving the boat, and if I want to hang out with him, then I have to hang out upstairs while he's driving the boat. It's not, okay, so it doesn't suck hanging out upstairs. It's just so much more comfortable downstairs. I wish the captain could be downstairs with me while he was driving the boat. So one thing that is really high on our priority list for features that we don't have today in Zoe Grace that we do want in our future boat is an interior helm station. Just because we'll be able to spend more time together. Now check this out. This is something we really want to have on our next boat. This is something we didn't realize was going to be so important to us when we bought Zoe Grace, and we don't have it on Zoe Grace. And what that is full walk-around beds in both the VIP cabin and VIP cabin? What is that? I don't know. In both the VIP cabin and the primary cabin. You cannot even imagine how difficult it is to make a bed on Zoe Grace because you can't walk all the way around the bed to do it. And it's not, trust me, it's not easy. I should show you that. Like, yeah, I should probably go try to make a bed and film that and show you that. That will be hilarious. We're gonna do that, hold on. All right, y'all, we are headed to the boat to try to make this bed. Let's see how this goes. All right, I told you guys it was windy today, and holy guacamole, Batman. It is a super windy day. Check this out. Look at all this wind. I mean, this flag's flying, all the boats are rocking. Let's walk up out on the bow just to check it out and see what we can see. Look at that water. And that's an interior channel. It's windy today. All right, I've got these fresh, clean linens ready to make my bed. I carry them around right here in these black trash bags because I'm fancy like that. Look at my hair. Look at my hair. I showed y'all the 2 black trash bags with my linens. Truth be told, only one bag has clean linens in it. The other bag has some new throw pillows for the boat. So Daz, if you're watching, these are the throw pillows I'm gonna give to you when we come to Thailand, because I know you like throw pillows. All right, let's get to the business of trying to make this bed. So just like always, I gotta get some music going so I can dance my way through this and make a bed. Be right back. Good to go now. Let's do this. Have y'all seen those videos on YouTube about folding fitted sheets? Every time I see one of those videos, my first thought is, wow, somebody can actually fold those things. And my second thought is, why would anybody want to? So if you fold fitted sheets, good for you, much respect, but I don't. I fold all the other sheets and I lay them nicely on top of the crumpled up fitted sheet. So I can live with it. I hope you can live with it too. Now, this bed is not a full walk around. This bed is a half walk around, which means I can walk up to where I'm at right now on both sides of the bed. I'm about halfway up. So I have to crawl or climb. Am I climbing or am I crawling? Whatever. I am climbing up on the top of the bed to get this sheet up. No idea what this looks like on camera, but I'm feeling a little grateful at the moment that maybe you can't see me. Dun, 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 dun. Sorry, singing along with the music in my head. I can hear it in my ear. You can't hear it. But I am going to add some good royalty-free music so I don't get a copyright strike. So you will hear music when you see me dancing. You just won't hear the same music I'm hearing. Oh, windy day and the boat is moving a lot. Lucky for me, I don't get seasick. Well, I shouldn't say that. Everybody gets seasick sometimes. I just haven't been seasick in a long, long time. And, you know, I'm always honest with you guys. So you should know that the last time I did get seasick, there were many, many Mai Tais involved. I had a great time. For what I can remember though, it was awesome. Except for the seasick part, that part sucked. All right, fitted sheet down. Let's go for the flat sheet next. I love this boat. But boy, making this bed, not loving it. Almost done. Y'all are not gonna believe this. I forgot the 2 matching pillow shams for these pillows. The shams that match a quilt. Anyway, we're still gonna make a bed. We're still gonna go with it. You'll just have to imagine it. Now it's time for my beloved throw pillows. I didn't forget the shams. Here they are. Damn, now I've got to take it apart and fix it. I am totally getting a workout climbing around in this room making this bed. Got to get to the gym more. Hard to dance on a boat when it's moving. I mean, it's not too hard. I do it all the time. All right, I did it. It's done. Let me show you the final look. Check that out. Now, you might be saying to yourself, Lori, that wasn't that hard. It didn't look that hard. And I get it. You might be right. But here's the deal. I might just make it look easy because I've done it so many times. But that doesn't mean I want to keep doing it. In my next boat, I will absolutely have in my primary bedroom a full walk-around bed that does not require me to climb all over the place to get it made, like this one does. Now check this out. This is the last thing on my list of features that I wish Zoe Grace had that she just doesn't, and that is supplemental solar power. Look how clean these solar panels look on this Absolute. It is absolutely amazing. I wish we had solar power to help supplement the power that we use when we are out on the boat. I know we could add solar panels to Zoe Grace and batteries and chargers and all of those things, but it's not inexpensive. It's a whole lot of work, and I think the quality of those systems that would be feasible to add to Zoe Grace are just not worth the amount of time and money it would take to invest in it and get it done. I am super I am incredibly grateful to have Zoe Grace as our boat. I love being out on that boat, and I love so many things about the boat. I kind of struggled. No, I didn't struggle at all. It took me a little bit to think of 5 things that I wish I had on Zoe Grace that I don't. Now that I have those things in mind and I've seen this beautiful boat by Absolute, I am so excited to go check it out at the Miami Boat Show next February. I cannot wait to take y'all along and let you see this boat through my eyes for the first time in person next February at the Miami International Boat Show. It is going to be a lot of fun. Now, between now and then, I've got a ton of stuff coming your way, and I hope you do want to subscribe to the channel and hang out with me for a few minutes from time to time. Thanks so much for being here today. I'll see you next time. Bye, y'all.